Now let's move on to the drill sharpener. This is, well, TDT was firstly originated from ancillary equipment. Now, tell me a bit about this drill sharpener.
Okay, well, we spoke a little bit with Lindsay about this. When we were looking around for other products to sell, we came up with this little drill grinder, and you know, when the operator's pressed his button and the machine's away, what's he going to do for the next 10 minutes? Well, why not grind some drills? And this is very, very simple to use. I always say a child could use it, and I can use it, so that proves something. So what we do, I think we've got a 10.5mm drill here. So we've got a little tray here, and we have a collet. We can take the collet out, and we just have to undo the collet holder.
So you're just setting the stock removal in this first station.
That's right, and that's how it goes in. There we go. So the collet's sat in there like that. And put the drill in. Okay. So what we first have to do is set the diameter of the drill. So we can put this into this holder here. Get that out. There we go. Okay, so we can set the diameter on this dial. So we go to 10.5.
So you're physically putting in the diameter of the drill.
Physically putting the diameter of the drill. Turn clockwise until it stops, and then you can lock the drill up. So then we've got the drill in the holder. We have to switch the drill grinder on, and then we've got two stations. The first station will dress the end of the drill, and you can hear that grinding there. Yeah. So you do that until it stops. Take it out, turn it round.
Just doing the primary geometry here, Simon.
That's right, there's the primary geometry, yeah. So we can see the tip done, and then we can go to the top station and do the same here.
This is thinning the web.
Thinning the web,
second geometry.
And turn it round. There we go.
Yeah. Well, that's very simple. Drill. Yeah. But that's very simple. Now, this unit comes from a capacity of 2mm to 13mm.
2 to 13, yeah. And then we also have different machines, and I think we top out at about 51mm.
And you've got a special offer on the go at the minute.
Yeah. Next order we receive for a machine, we'll throw one of these in.
Well, there you have it. Thank you very much, Simon.
Okay. Thanks, Joe.